Hello and welcome to another video of Spares and Repairs. I'm Gino, and today we have a 2018 Citroen SpaceTourer in for charging full and the power steering not working. So let's crack on and get on with the job. Come on. As you can see, this is the car in question. It's got 55,000 miles on the clock. So let's go. As you can see, the battery voltage is 14.3, so to me the alternator's charging well, and going to check the battery with my voltmeter as well. As you can see here, the positive supply relay is open when it should be closed for the power steering to work. There's the battery voltage. So I removed the air box, and also to get more access to this supply unit here. So holding this onto this battery tray, there's one there, and one there, which hold this in with all these covers. So it goes like that, and it goes in these holes. There, two 10mm bolts that hold it in, and all the covers here. So first of all, I found loads of corrosion on these fuses, so clean them up, put the battery back on, and tried it, and still not okay. So then what I found was that once it's all plugged up and the engine starting, I'm getting voltage on this circuit here, and all these fuses are okay, everything all good. But on this circuit here, I'm getting no voltage at all. So suspect one of these two, and maybe some of these here are part of the fuses, are the power steering. So I need to somehow get a supply voltage to this circuit to test to see if the power steering starts working. Also, the 10mm that hold it to the battery tray go here, and then there's some torque bolts that hold the supply control module here, and here. So when you manage to rotate the control module, you'll be able to access them bolts, and then this bracket can come away. So what we've done is we put a power probe to the circuit and found that the power steering started working, indicating that the relay inside here is faulty. So a whole new supply protection module required. To do this, you need to take off all the fuses and wires on this side and on the other side. Make sure you don't mix up the wires, so label them or put them with the new one by one. So you take the top one off and connect it to the new one, and so on, so you don't get confused. Car's fixed and power steering working fine.